After patiently waiting, I finally have my hands on the brand new Honor Earbuds 3 Pro. As someone who still uses last year's Earbud 2 Lights, I've been very excited to get my ears around this new iteration, especially with the new innovative dual driver, the adaptive ANC, whilst retaining the very quick charging and long life battery. So let's waste no more time and open this up and see what you get inside the box. As you would expect, you get a premium feel experience. The main unit itself is individually wrapped with some separate instructions, which is very nice, on the front and the back, giving you a reminder of the touch control for each of the earbuds. Obviously, this is the grey version. There is a white version available as well, but what else do we get in the box? Digging deeper, you can see that, like previous versions, you do get different sizes of the tips, which is great because the one that it comes with is usually the medium, and then there is a set of small or large tips, which you can install very easily onto the earbuds separately for your own preference. These do feel lovely, soft and squishy. I've never had to change mine. The mediums have always been a good size for my ears. What else do we get in the box? Well, understandably, you have some manuals, you have a charging cable, which is a USB-C on one end and regular USB on the other, a warranty card, and a quick start guide, which we will come back to in a little bit. But for now, let's get back to the main event and the actual device itself. The case has a very soft curved design. It feels like you're holding a pebble in your hand. The case weight without the earbuds in is around 42.6 grams, which is nothing at all really. The connection button is nice and easy to get to on the side. And what happens when we lift the lid? You can see that you've got this lovely metallic finish on the earbuds themselves on the grey version. Each individual earbud weighs about 5.1 grams without the tip, which of course is very light indeed. You're barely going to feel these when you're using them, and of course that is part of the magic itself. The minimalist aesthetic is very clear to see. In fact, the logo is subtly placed on the rear hinge. Battery life on the previous generations of the earbuds has been amazing, and this continues that trend. With only 5 minutes of charge, you can get 2 hours worth of music. Used in conjunction with the case, you can get 24 hours worth of playback through this. A quick comparison against my well-used Earbud 2 Lights from last year, you can see that the new case is a little bit smaller. There's not a lot of difference weight-wise between the two cases, and of course they operate in a very similar manner. But I do like that new metallic finish. The stems are shorter, but they do retain the touch control. In fact, they've got better. Volume control via the stem itself is easy to operate whilst on the move with just one finger. Setting up the earbuds is super simple from the QR code in the manual. Install the app and go through the usual setup. In fact, if you're lucky like me and have a Magic 4 Pro, you can see it automatically starts the connection process without you having to do anything. As this is the first time I'm connecting it, it has triggered an update, so I'll just leave this to run and twiddle my thumbs for a bit. One of the great benefits of using the app is the ease of control to some of the features on the earbuds themselves. In the next video, I will go into greater depth as to why these are so special and some of those amazing features, but for now, all that's left to do is give them a go.